So this is a really important moment. Like the Brisbane parallel runway is the first of the major East Coast infrastructure investments that are going to change the way we do air traffic control. And so having the full immersion 360 here in Brisbane is a fantastic initiative because it will allow our controllers to actually get on with the training and doing it in a genuine and absolute kind of real thing. This is the only one outside of the sim in Melbourne now, and we're standing inside it and it looks fantastic, Rajesh. It's really, really good.
The Brisbane CTS has been upgraded to a 360-degree tower simulator using 17 visual channels to provide controllers with a full immersion training experience for the new runway configuration at Brisbane Airport.
In this case, the full immersion means that the controllers see what happens in the real world, and with the parallel runways, they are able to see both runways at the same time. So they see both thresholds and aircraft on finals for both thresholds, and they're able to see both end of the runways at the same time and aircraft departing as well.
The Brisbane installation provides a realistic representation of what the controllers will experience when working in the tower, with high-definition LCD panels in portrait orientation to provide controllers with an improved vertical field of view and excellent visual acuity.
Well, the actual training will begin around January 2020, and the development of the training has already started, and it'll keep going, and we expect to be ready by December 2019.
At the same time, an additional pilot position was added so that the two controller positions could be fully loaded with traffic to replicate the busy periods experienced at the airport.
This is the new 360 simulator pilot positions for the Brisbane simulator, and from here we can control all aspects of the aircraft. We can taxi them out, we can land them, we can manipulate them in any way that we want. We can add weather, we can basically create any environment for the controllers to learn from.
This is the only full immersion simulator outside of the ATS training school and sets the benchmark for low-cost training environments at busy centres such as Brisbane.
A number of our towers in air services are now INTES capable. So INTES is actually an electronic strip system by which we track our aircraft, and that system would be implemented into this simulator here. It'll be the first one that we'll be doing, and the INTES emulator and the control tower simulator together will provide a complete integrated training for a Brisbane tower controller or any tower controller which is INTES in their system. Again, a huge improvement in terms of not having to train separately, but training everything together.
We officially open up the Brisbane Sim 360 simulator for the tower, and there it is.